Hi everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is a review slash what's in my bag featuring this Lug Rider bag. I purchased this bag, you guys, probably the later half of the year 2023. This bag, I was influenced to purchase this bag from Mom Ambition. Hi Jay Brown, I hope you're watching. She did a what's in my bag on a lug bag, but she had a Lug Rider 2 bag in a beautiful magenta color. And so I was influenced to buy a lug bag from watching one of her videos that she did probably, like I said, about maybe a year ago. So this one is the Lug Rider color metallic walnut. And like I said, I had to cut the tags, y'all, on this bag. I've had it for over a year before I even carried it, because when I got it, I ordered it from the Lug website, and then when I got the bag, I thought it looked like a lunch box. The nylon fabric that this is made out of is different than some of the other nylon bags that I'm used to carrying. So when I first got it, I'm going to take this shoulder strap off. Okay, this is a detachable shoulder strap. I'm just going to take it off for ease of the video, okay? And then this is what the strap looks like. Nice strap that I do carry. So I think that's one of the reasons why I didn't carry it, because I thought it looked kind of like a lunchbox. But I do like the organization that is inside of this bag, y'all. So anyway, I've shown you the outside of the bag, and then I adorned it with my Coach bear. Look at him, y'all. He's so cute. Look at him. He's so cute. He's sitting on his throne right here. I've had this bag charm for about over a year too, you guys. So the bag here, let's get on with it, okay? So you see it has these two outside pockets here, and I'll start with what I have in this pocket. Look at the lining here with this floral print. I think it is so pretty. I have my taser in here, guys. And then that is the only thing that I have in that outside pocket. Then this outside pocket right here, I have my what is this, Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And then I also have my car key fob. That is the only thing that I have in this pocket. So then there's also a little pocket here, and in here it is a substantial pocket. I like it. Let me see what I got in here, y'all. A bunch of receipts. I have been in this bag for about 2 weeks, y'all. Bunch of receipts. My magnifying glass. And then sometimes, let's see what else. I feel something else in there. Oh, some Victoria's Secret perfume, like little card sample things here. Sometimes I will put my phone right here, and this is an iPhone Pro Max. So your phone will fit in here, one of the larger size phones. I normally put it in here vertically. Sometimes I'll lay it here, and then sometimes I'll put it in the back. I'll show you that in a second. So then on this side of the bag, there's a little pocket here, okay? And it has some snaps, and it opens like this. I really like this feature. And in here is where I keep my, it's like a, this is a Coach keychain fob right here. And then I have like a safety tube my whistle and my pepper spray is here. But you can put like a smaller size water bottle in here or an umbrella. Okay, so I've been carrying this bag because I brought it out because to me this looks like a fall wintertime bag. And when I first brought this bag out, we were having like inclement weather. Okay, it was snowing, it was raining, and so I didn't want to carry one of my leather bags, so I chose this bag. Okay, all right, so there's that. And okay, what else? There's so many pockets and stuff on here, you guys. Okay, so here in the back there's a pocket here that you can see that goes the full length, and then sometimes I'll put my phone here like this, or you can lay it down here horizontally, no problem. Easy fit, guys. Love this bag. This is a very utilitarian bag, y'all. It has so much organization. It's a good mom bag. It's a good bag for like heavy duty type of things. Not that the bag is heavy or anything, but it's a tough bag. So I really like that. So I have here some wet ones. And then I also have a little knife right here that is new to my knife collection. It's a little green pocket knife that I have here. So that's what I have in there. And then there's also another outside zipper pocket here, guys. Look at this. Bomb diggity. Love it. Open it like this. And then in here, I have my purse hanger by Clippa. I have a handkerchief and a clean mask. And it also has that floral lining. Love it. All right. So that is all of the outside pockets and organization on this bag. Okay. So now I want to get into the main compartment. And we have a double zipper feature here. Okay. Love it. Nice, chunky zipper pulls that go all the way down. Look how far down that zipper go, y'all. Both sides. Love it. Easy access to my belongings. So here's an overview of what the inside of it looks like. All right, there's so much organization in here, you guys. I'm so afraid that I'm going to forget to show y'all something. All right, before I get inside, I have bandages on my fingertips, y'all, because I've mentioned it before in some of my videos that I have a tendency to pick my cuticles sometimes. So until they bleed, and they look, my fingertips look a mess right now. So that's why I have these bandages on my fingers, all right? And that's another reason why I haven't recorded a video, because I've just been picking away, y'all, and my fingers look ugly because of it. But anyway, I wanted to get on here and chat with y'all. So the inside, I have this eyeglass case, and then I have this package right here that has my fidget stones in it. Instead of picking my cuticles, I should have been doing this. But this was in my purse, and I started picking my cuticles while I was watching the news, stuff like that. And the news was upsetting me, and so I got to picking away, y'all. All the horrible stuff that's going on right now in our country and everything. It's got me a little bit of anxious, and I had to step away from the news because it was just doing something to my psyche. But moving on. I have these ginger delights. These are pretty good. They have like a orange flavor to them. These are okay. I bought them from a store called Drug Mart. If I didn't say, I got this from TJ Maxx. And then I have my tissue case right here. I purchased this from Amazon. I have my Happy Planner micro mini note that I have here. And then I just have, what is this, y'all? Oh, I had to return something to Amazon at Staples, and this is the little receipt. And then I have another receipt right here. And then I have my wallet from Portland Leather Goods, and it looks like this. Let me see what this looks like, y'all. So it looks like this on the inside. So it has 1, 2, 3 card slots, but you could put up to 3 cards in each slot, y'all. It's very generously sized card slots here. And then you have a spot here. And then on this side, there's another spot here. And then I have some coupons and just $1. $1 is in here in coupons. And then it has a little zipper section here, and I don't have anything in here, but you can put coins or whatever you want. Okay, and this is in the color Dusty Rose. So that's my wallet. Okay, and then I have another Victoria's Secret perfume sample card. And then I have my little pouch. This is my cosmetic or catch-all pouch right here. My auntie, she brought this for me for my birthday last year. I'm not going to go over everything inside of this bag, but I have like my face cream, Neutrogena, wipes, stuff like that, bandages, eye drops, medicine, and that is what I have inside of this pouch. Cute. She knows I like dragonfly, so yeah, and I like it because it has the dragonfly motif on both sides. I really like it. Thank you, auntie. So here's the interior. There's a key loop right here. I don't have anything on that. There's 2 like ink pen sections, and in one of them I have my Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is a rollerball, which I'm indifferent. I don't care if it's a spray or a rollerball. I happen to kind of like rollerballs a little bit more because I think that the fragrances have a little bit more oil in them, and the fragrances last a little bit longer on me. So, but I really don't care if it's a ball or a spray, but I slightly like roller balls just a little bit more better because the fragrances are longer lasting in my opinion. Then there's another little pocket slot right here, and that is where I have my lip products. I have a MAC lip gloss in Oh Baby. And then I have a Fenty lipstick. I really like these. I think they're called iconic lipsticks or something like that. I think that this lipstick case is about to be discontinued because you can purchase these from Sephora and Ulta. And I purchased this from Sephora.com for like $8, y'all. And the refills are sold separately. So here I have a lipstick called Loudspeaker, and it looks like this. It's like a berry colored lipstick. And I do like this formula. It's a soft, creamy formula that is fairly long lasting on me. I really like it. Okay, there's that. Let me put this back in here. And then also I have my little compact mirror from Coach. It looks like this. All right. And then I have a Vaseline Advanced Repair Lotion. This is okay. Me and my husband and I, we have been out and about on the weekends and stuff, doing little things that we have to take care of together, and his hands are always ashy, so I decided to go with this because it's a neutral scented thing. It's not too feminine smelling for him, so that's what that is. It's okay to me, this formula. And then I also have my Nivea lip balm. Okay, so that's what I have there. And then if you guys, I hope you can see, there's a clear pocket that zips open like so. Okay, and so in here I just have, yes, Mary Kay, a Mary Kay, my cream to powder foundation. Okay, It's in here. I like this case. I purchased this from eBay. The case and the product itself, okay? There's a mirror here, and then up under here is where I keep my cosmetic sponge, okay? Really like this. I really like cream to powder foundations in the winter months, okay? So look at that there. I really like this clear pocket feature in this bag. So can you understand why I like this bag so much, guys? All of this organization. I like the size of it. I like how far the zippers pull down. There's a little gusset, the little floral detail right here. I really, really like it. And so then there's also another interior pocket right here. I hope you guys can see. Up against the back wall, right? And then I just have the tag to the purse that I keep in there. Now, let me see. Oh, there's also like a little bungee. Oops. There's also like a little bungee key keeper right here. Okay. So, yeah, this bag is a nice bag. If you're going to, if you have like kids and stuff like that, and you want to carry some of your things and their things in here, I really like the organization of this lug bag, guys. And it's fairly lightweight. I like the top handle. I don't know if I showed you guys the top handle, but here's the top handle. I really like this. So when I'm getting out of my vehicle, I can just reach for this real quick, the top handle, and go on about my business. So yeah, guys, that is what I have in this lug bag right here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'm going to pack her back up, say my farewell to you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Stay safe.